What's going on, everyone? Levi here with Foxbridge Slabs. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this guy into cookies. This is silver maple, 34 inches in diameter at the top. It widens to about 36 inches at the base, so it gets a little bit bigger as it goes down. We are gonna cut this into 3 1/4 inch thick cookies. I've already done one. So 3 1/4 inch thick cookies with my steel MS81, Granberg MK4 Alaskanmill. We've got a GB bar. This is from Granberg's website. And then we've got a ripping chain from Granberg on there as well. I've never used ripping chains for bucking before or doing cross cuts, and you can see just in this first section that I did, very smooth, and you'll see that it cuts really well. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna start cutting. Alright guys, meant to show this on camera, just me setting this up and I completely forgot, but I'm using a 2x8 just for the first cut. This is almost completely flat, but you want to have a perfectly flat surface, and this board, believe it or not, is extremely flat. So what I did was, in the low spots, I shimmed it so that it wouldn't move. I screwed it down with 3 1/8 inch screws. I have my mill set to 3 1/4 inches thick, so it will miss these screws. You don't want to hit these screws. So we're going to start cutting now, and we'll see what we get. Got 7 cookies. The top is about 36 inch diameter, the bottom is 34, so really nice cookies, 3 1/4 inches thick. These will be ready to turn into tables probably within the next 1.5, 2 years, 3 years. I've got a lot of wood waiting to go in the kiln, so we'll see what happens. This saw performed very well. Steel MS 881 is a tank. This bar, this chain, this mill from Granberg International, absolute best. Use my coupon code Foxbridge Slabs on Granberg's website to save 10%. You also saw me wear a mask while I was milling. Probably didn't look like much dust in the video, but when you're milling, this is a ripping chain. Sawdust is a little bit finer. There's a lot of stuff floating in the air. RZ mask. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. This is the M3. I love it. It makes a huge difference when I'm milling, wearing it versus not wearing it. When I wear it all day, my lungs feel great. When I don't wear it, my lungs feel like crap. So if you woodwork, if you do any milling, highly recommend RZ mask. Will not be disappointed with the performance. Get the M3. Again, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.